Okay, good morning, good evening, and good afternoon, everyone. Today I want to show you how to install the VMware. VMware it is a software that you can install many window, many software, many program in one computer. So it's very easy for students to learn, uh, to to do the lab or do anything like they want to test the two PC at the same time. Anything, yes. VMware is a very powerful software. Okay, now I have VMware 9, VMware 7, and VMware 11. Okay, the VMware is just the same as it the same all. So you can choose any VMware you want. So VMware 9. So I chose VMware 9. Okay, now I fire it up. So this is VMware 9 workstation. So this VMware, click next, and you just click typical mean it will install the necessary file feature that you need. Just click next, and no need to check for startup because we not buying, so we don't need to update or anything. We just use only. Okay, after complete they will ask for serial number, so any serial number. In case you want the software, you can comment, and I will find a way to send you the link download, because right now I don't upload my software in the online. Okay, so you just wait here until it finishes. The the reason I install this one because I want to install the Windows 7 so I can do more lab for you all. So for example, if in case you are a student, you want okay, so now it's ask for serial number, so you can choose the serial number as I so the last, and you paste it and you enter, and that's it, finish. So I just want to explain a bit more about the VMware. So the VMware, they will install our network card. They will have more network card in your computer. So the VMware 1 and VMware 8, this is we call it visual network card. You see, visual Ethernet adapter. So this network card we can create more, but the defaults they will install only two. One is for example VMnet 1, they use for example internal network, and this one is external network. It means that your LAN will support automatically to your PC in the virtual machine. So you just drag and drop from the main PC. You drag and drop the files from the main PC to the virtual machine like this, and all the file it will automatically copy the file directly from the main computer to the virtual machine in your VMware after you install the files. Okay, I will explain more. Okay, so do you want to change a color? No, I don't want it, just don't care, man. So that's it. Now finish the VMware part 1. The part 2 I will told you how to install the necessary files in the Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows XP, so you can drag and drop the file directly. You don't need to, for example, you don't need to access the network or boring stuff. Okay, thank you for watching, and I will make more video part 2. Please continue. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. So this is my first. Actually I do it a long time ago, but I just start again. So I want to do it as my hobby.